What's going on, guys? So today we are at Retrofest 2025. It is Sunday. Had a rain delay yesterday, supposed to be on Saturday, but we're making it happen today. This is Denny Moody's event here in Fulshear, Texas. We're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you what's here. Really interesting 80s and 90s stuff for the most part. A couple of 2000s, maybe a couple newer cars, but mostly 80s, 90s. So let's jump into it. This is the Time Traveler's Lounge. This is Denny's Man Cave. As you can tell, he's really about 80s and 90s. Denny, I want to ride in this car. Take me out for a spin. Sick. DeLorean. Oh, okay. Sorry, Nick. Wait. Shout out to Nick Dennis. Check out his photography. This dude shoots some amazing photos. I love your work.
Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it, dude. Absolutely, man. Keep killing it.
Yeah, man. And we need to take your damn Viper up.
Yes, sir, we will.
Oh my God, the Lotus Carlton. This is one of my favorite sedans. Wow.
And then I had it at Radwood in Austin.
What's up, Bobby? How's it going?
People in the last year and a half. Before that, I've been doing this for 25 years. I treat cancer. It works really well. But now this is becoming the only thing I have is I had for my 10th birthday, I had a cake.
Well, I used to have like acoustic audio stuff. I wouldn't
radiation. The low dose radiation.
Wow. Of course, the red gated shifter. Man. So cool. Back to the Future DeLorean, sick. Excuse me. So cool. Morning. How you guys doing? So funny. It's cool. Yes. Was this truck from Back to the Future?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's his truck.
That was his dream truck.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
a nice truck.
Yeah. That's cool to see them both here.
Yeah.
So you remember that until she asked me, hey, is that truck with you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's his truck. It's really neat.
I reached out, but nobody ever reached back out.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, I'll go through.
Oh yeah,
Forget what this is, a mantis or something? Manta. Okay, that's what it is. This thing is so weird. God. Oh, it's a Chevy motor. Oh, okay.
I'll get out your shot.
Oh, you're okay.
That's the owner right there.
Oh, cool. It's a nice car. It's really cool.
Okay. Am I in your way?
No, you're good.
Okay.
It's a Manta.
Yeah. So these things come with the Chevy motor? Or is it like a kit car? Like what?
Kit car.
Okay.
So you can either use like a small block Chevy
Yeah.
or a big block Ford,
Oh, okay.
like a 427.
Yeah. Wow. It's neat. What year is it?
The paperwork says it's an 87, but I checked the paperwork on back to it.
Yeah.
It's a 78.
A 78? Oh, okay.
When they titled it, apparently somebody transposed the numbers.
Yeah. Okay.
But they did 1,000 factory cars, right?
About,
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
depending on which thing you look at about the car.
Yeah.
If you put in Manta,
Okay.
you'll find a bunch of stuff
Mhm.
that talk about the car and the Levette brothers who started the company. I grew up with them in Kansas.
Okay.
Brad was 10 days older than me.
Okay.
He was one of my two best friends.
Yeah.
When I
Wow.
was a kid.
This is neat. Really cool.
Yeah, it's climbing in and out's an adventure.
I would imagine so. Yeah.
Even when I was young, my knees don't bend like that.
Yeah.
And so you have to get your legs down in the tunnel,
Yeah.
and you don't want to lean on the windshield because you don't want to crack that windshield.
True.
You're not going to get a replacement.
Yeah. I can imagine.
And once you're in it, you're like, well, I guess I'll just live here now,
Yeah.
because it's a challenge
So you said the fuel tank's on
on that side.
that side. Okay. Okay, that's cool. So I guess weight on that side, then when you're driving, it kind of
Yeah,
balances out. Okay, I see.
yeah.
So you got the battery on this side and the fuel tank on the other.
Yeah. Weight distribution, I would imagine.
You don't put that much fuel in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we just take it to shows.
Yeah.
You drive it on the street, some kid with no insurance is going to hit you. in a
Yeah.
accident.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't blame you.
But it's got air ride suspension. You can raise the front up a little. Is it up or down right now? The suspension, is it up or down?
And it was up and may have come down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for getting in and out of parking lots, the
Yeah.
front comes up about 3 inches.
Okay.
But,
just the front.
Yeah, just the front.
Okay. Air ride in the front. That's cool.
Yeah. And pop-ups.
Yeah. This thing's wild.
This is what's big for the American market. Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. It's pushing through a 65 Corvair transaxle right now.
Okay.
We might swap that out for an auto because it's a little tricky with the clutch.
Yeah.
And if you pop the clutch on this, it gets wild. It's about 1,900 pounds.
The clean Testarossa. Oh, this one just rolled up. Dang. A VT Diablo. Wow.
So quick fact that I learned later in the event, this particular Diablo VT was formerly owned by Missy Elliott. So that was pretty interesting to hear.
With the 300ZX headlights, because they're just the best. So sick. Wow. Love the color. The gated shifter. Sound system. Man, this thing is gangster. Jeez. Oops, sorry.
It was a special treat for me to see the year.
Denny, I want to thank you so much for hosting Retrofest. This is amazing what you do.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate it, and we all do.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming,
And
guys.
this is a 5th year, right? Correct?
This is the 4th year,
The
5th
fourth year.
show. Yeah,
5th show,
fifth
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, thank you so much. This is so neat.
Yeah, we had a rain delay yesterday, so even with
Yeah.
the rain delay, I think we've already outdone last year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Because we were about 175 last year?
170, 200, somewhere around there. I think we're about 200 on the lot right now.
Yeah.
2 Countachs.
Yeah.
4 Testarossas.
Yes.
The Back to the Future time machine.
Carlton.
The Carlton, Marty McFly's truck, a Manta,
Yeah.
BB512.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So sick, man.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
So cool.
Take care, Shane.
Got that room for activities. Put some turbos right there. Ready to party. Wow. That's just me though. Oh, I hear a centrifugal. God, this thing's cool. Man. A GT40. Oh my God, it's Coyote swapped. Individual throttle bodies. Wow. This thing's Coyote swap.
Really?
Yeah, it's got an illuminator in it.
Oh shit.
A 5.2? Jeez. So if you follow my stuff, you know I'm a big Coyote guy. I mean, I own one. So this is Ed, and this is his GT40. So tell me about this. So it's a 5.2 illuminator swap.
Correct.
Is it like a Gen 2 version?
All the illuminators are actually Gen 2s.
They're Gen 2,
They're all
okay.
Gen 2s.
Because I see it has, you're running VCT, I can tell.
Yep.
Okay. How did that work with the individual throttle bodies? That's pretty cool.
So it's not, it looks like throttle body, but it's not. That's
Oh, it's not?
That's actually fuel injection.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
So it's cheating. I never really was good at tuning carburetors.
Okay.
Much less synchronizing 4 2 barrels
Right.
all the time.
Right.
No. But that one lets me have the look without having it's just turnkey run.
That makes sense. Okay, so it's a 5.2, but this is the cross plane 5.2, correct? This is not a.
Yes, this is not a flat.
Okay, this is not the flat plane voodoo. Okay.
I don't believe that Motorsport sells the flat plane. I think the only way you get the flat plane 3.2 is in
The 350.
The GT350.
Okay.
So this is basically, for lack of a better way to describe it, it's a hybrid between the GT500 and the GT350.
Correct.
So it's got a GT350 motor basically with the 500 crank.
Yeah.
That's
Cross
the way it's
plane.
been explained to me. So yeah.
So I guess it's a Gen 2 control pack.
Correct. I'm running Terminator X on it.
Oh, it's a Terminator X.
Yeah.
Okay, so Holly. Okay, cool, man. And this is the trans that would come in the car originally.
No. So this is a continuation car. So the car itself was assembled in South Africa by Saphir and Superformance in 2023, I think.
Yeah.
The transaction on this is actually a Mendiola transaction. The ZFs, having a hard time getting ZFs. ZFs break a lot too.
Okay.
And now the Mendiolas are terribly hard to get as well. So if I was to redo this again today, I'd probably use a different transaxle. This one actually had to go back to Mendiola when it was brand new. It was just kind of off, but it's stronger than the ZF.
Okay.
The ZFs are usually okay for the street. If you ever put any sticky tires on them and do anything on the track, which I didn't really make this thing for, but in case I wanted to, you know, you can break one and you might be down for a year trying to get figure out a way to fix it.
Which I imagine you probably wouldn't want to put like a bias ply on this thing.
No.
Me too.
Not really.
Yeah. But yeah, I saw like the sandwich plate, like the adapter for it down there, the space there is pretty cool. And thank you for going over it with me, Ed.
Oh, sure thing, man.
But yeah, big Coyote fan, man.
It is it's a blast. I have so much fun in it.
Yeah. So. Cool. Yeah, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Yeah, the loud configuration. Same thing with like the 9.
So you got the Lancia, Delta, Integrale. Super cool. These are all the same owner's cars. This is Ray's cars. He has a Cosworth Escort too. I think he was having problems with it. I'm not sure if it's coming today or not. All right, so tell me about this car. You know more about this car than I do.
I know it's definitely a Tommy Mackinnon edition.
So it's factory left-hand drive. So it's from the Philippines?
Yes, I believe it's from, he said he got it from the Philippines. This is like the holy grail of older Evos.
Of Evos, yeah.
Yeah, so seeing,
for sure.
So seeing one in person is amazing, but seeing a left-hand drive one is just...
Because we're normally JDM right-hand drive. Yeah.
Yeah, it just makes it that much more special.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah. It's such a good car.
That's really sweet. So yeah, I know Clarence loves these things, and he knows more about it than I do.
I think they call it the 6.5.
The 6.5?
Yeah.
Maybe?
I think it's called the 6.5 too.
Okay. And then Ray's Accord Type R. I believe this is the only one in the States. I think that's what he said. And then his Subaru 555. Pretty rare spec. But as you can tell, he loves mostly rally cars. Steven Subaru RS 2006 STI swap. And a 98. Pretty sweet. This car's been on channel before. Really cool car. I suggest you check it out. It's fun car to drive. And it's his first car. He was the original owner. This thing's so cool, man.
Oh, thank you.
I like it.
So it's a 88 205 GTI 1.9. This car was on Top Gear.
Okay.
And also on James May's Cars for the People.
Like this particular car? This car?
This car.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah. So
Man.
it's all original. Has had a partial respray, but other than that, it's all original gearbox, original engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. 140,000 miles.
Looks good.
UK car. Brought it here in 2018.
Cool.
Yeah. It's one of the best examples out there. No rust on it. So that's
Yeah.
the problem with these cars is rust.
I would imagine.
So,
Yeah.
but I mean,
Beautiful.
even you can see the interior is
Mint? Wow.
it's definitely of an age.
Oh yeah. Time capsule.
Yeah.
Oh,
pretty-
the hood deals
it's a
on this
French
side?
car, so yeah,
Oh, okay.
they do everything a little different.
Yeah. That's okay, cool. Wow. Yeah?
Yeah, so nothing's upgraded or tweaked or changed. A lot of people put the MI16 engines in these.
Okay.
So it's a 16 valve twin cam engine from the Peugeot 405.
Right.
Because it's the same block, it's just a different head. And
Okay.
They fit right in. So they're pretty common, but this is stock 1.9, so about 120 horsepower.
Yeah.
But it weighs just over 700 kilos, so
Yeah.
not a lot.
Yeah, no, I mean that's plenty of power for this chassis.
It's still pretty quick for
Yeah.
what it is, yeah.
I would imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat. Denny's Lotus. This is cool.
I'm such a sucker for yellow.
Yeah.
Now that I'm
You know,
older,
I never used to like yellow cars,
never liked yellow
but
cars, but
I'm
now that I'm
kind
older, I
of,
really
I don't know,
appreciate
I'm
it.
kind of getting
I
there.
know, it's almost like something's yelling in my garage. I keep looking at it.
Maybe we're just getting old. I don't know.
I'm liking it too. I'm like,
Yeah,
damn, it does look good.
it's different, man.
I used to only like yellow on a Diablo SV. Now I'm kind of like, I don't know.
Well, yellow's
Kinda like
it's,
it.
just, it's not a common color anymore. Like manufacturers
No.
don't use yellow.
Is it always silver, black, white?
This is also his. Pretty cool.
No, I'm being serious though. Think about it. They don't make it really hard.
I thought she was too. She did good.
No, thank you, but no.
And then his 2000 GT VR4, extremely mint, 100% stock.
So I was like, well, maybe because
I love the first gens. First gens are the best. Porsche.
Look at that yellow. He went to go look at whatever.
Oh, he went to look at that white Countach, I think.
Well, now that FD's louder than his, now he's gonna want to go to the store and cut his muffler off. So. he hates how quiet it is.
Morning. Pretty good. Man, the dish on these wheels, whew, man, it looks good.
Too good to roll out with us or what? I know Greg. No, not Greg, the other Greg. I saw you this week. What's up, the other Greg?
Dang, it's cool. Nice. The cassettes, the Miami Vice, neat. The phone.
No, the white thing shop over there. Yeah, they like it when I'm not there. They can speak later. A little louder. It is definitely.
Sure, I think is there one inside?
This one's interesting. Nice.
That's a 40-year-old film. That's really cool. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's what I was.
So like as a spectator, that's
Which one? This could be a 96.
yeah.
Well, it's twins, right?
Yeah.
That could be
Really cool. The pace car, Fiero, wow. Man, this thing is so clean. Time capsule, jeez. This is cool. The Alpine Renault. Never seen one of these in person. This is cool. This is really cool. Wow. I like the color. And at least, hang on. Oh, supercharged, sick.
Very, 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 very basic on the inside. Well, again, it's pretty shit.
Nice.
Fine now.
I mean now.
Man, Nick finally opened the hood.
Oh,
This is Nick Dennis's car. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you see the license plate clearance? See, look. Oh yeah.
I like that rigid piece.
Yeah, that's sick.
That's what you said.
Oh yeah.
That is exactly what I said. Dude, I like this.
This car is clean, dude.
I like this.
I was doing the same thing.
Y'all are so wrong.
This is cool. I've seen this car at Radwood, I think. Ever since I recorded the Callaway Corvettes, the Supernaturals, Scott, the owner of those, told me about Alfa Romeo, how they were messing with these, not this particular one, but they had Callaway had their hands in these things on certain models. Really cool car. So this is DJ Mr. Rogers from Houston. These are his cars. I think this one is a Gen 3 Coyote swap, if I'm not mistaken. It's Grand National. So if I'm not mistaken, this thing's like fully rebuilt. Holly, I think it has a Holly system in it. Really cool car. There's a lot of cool Alphas here. It's a newer one, obviously, but still really cool. Aha, there it is. I saw this and I was wondering. Nice. Sick. Is it ET Street R? He ain't playing. Perfect. I like it. Cool. Really nice. Wagon. Oh, another wagon. Awesome. Sweet. Mark 8. Hell yeah. Cobra wheels with the Lincoln center cap. Really cool. Nice touch. Corey's car, he just built this this past year. All himself. Hey, you said it's a 6.0, right? Okay, built 6.0. Turbo, obviously, big single. Sick. Yeah, he did this entirely himself over the last year and a half. Even down to the powder coating, or Cerakoting, sorry. GTA, this thing's gangster.
I heard it when it came in, but I haven't seen it yet. I should know this now.
Mini.
Oh, he's dating
Volvo wagon. Caddy. Some Jeeps, Land Rovers. Some more wagons. Mercedes. This one's cool. Like the wheels, nice touch. SC300. WS6. So this year I brought my Escort out again. I've done coilovers, full suspension in the last month. Got this car riding fantastic. Cleaned up the interior a lot. So I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, this is my first car. I've had it 21 years. It was my aunt's car originally. She passed away, left me it in the will. But just, it was auto, swapped it to a manual. And then right next to it is Clarence's first gen Neon with a complete SRT4 swap. We always keep these cars together, so people love them together. Yeah, he built this one probably the last like 2 years. But yeah, people always love seeing these cars together. Yeah, full coupe. I mean, everything on it is SRT4 other than the metal. WS6. Another WS6 with the CCWs. He's clowning me right now. That's cool. BMWs. Nice Miata.
I'll look on the internet. See if I can find it.
01. Nice. These LT5s are so cool. Really clean. Nice. I like this bullet. This is nice. Pace car. I've seen this one. LS with turbo. Pretty cool. 01. Bobby's truck, LS, LSA blower. It's cool OBS. With the bike, Haro, really cool. In a Sonoma GT, I've never seen a Sonoma GT in person. Driven a Cyclone and a Typhoon, but I've never seen or driven one of these. Really cool. So this is basically the Cyclone without the turbo motor, and I think these are just rear-wheel drive. Oh, JDM Type R, sick. R32s, R33, RX-7.
No spec.
Nice. That's cool. '86. Oh, it's a coupe. Awesome. You're making too much noise. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in person. Morning. Mike's R34. I love this design. So this is a replica of Craig Lieberman's R34 that ended up being the silver and blue car in Fast and Furious. This is how it looked before that. Then they painted it for the movie and everything. But this is how it looked before. The original car was in magazines and all that. Pretty cool.
I'm in Barwood now, so if you're going up to Eldridge from 1960, I'm the first street. I'm on Asti, very first street when you. I like your car.
Eric Supra. I love the old school confetti. Very neat. And then his diesel Land Cruiser. This thing is also really cool. Robert's NSX. Wow, this is cool. I've seen this Supra around a lot.
So, but right now, I'm trying to get
You're gonna be my girl.
Beautiful. Well, that is a wrap on Retrofest West 2025 in Fulshear, Texas. I appreciate everyone tuning in. If you made it this far to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Big shout out to Denny Moody for hosting this, and his wife Melissa, and Ray and Robert. Also, thank you to all the sponsors and everyone that was involved. This is an amazing event, and I'm really looking forward to next year. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you later.